So it came to a point that my boyfriend asked me if he could date a man.
And you're having fun. Why don't you show your friends?
This is how people play with things when you eat your school fees. I once wanted to learn to play guitar, but I chose going to party over going to guitar classes. So hello Littlesilver family, how are you doing? So I want to share a short story as well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to this video. I hope you're doing great and happy holidays to everyone. I appreciate you. For the new viewers, please do consider to subscribe and support our community. And welcome back to our Vlogmas Stories series today. And today I want to share something I did that I don't know what you think, and you can as well share in the comment section. Maybe this is the craziest I did in a relationship, in one of my relationships. You know, we all have like fantasies and stuff, or just not knowing where you belong. Where you belong, that is like, sometimes we grow up and we don't know what sex you want to take. So it came to a point that my boyfriend asked me if he could date a man, and because he always thought maybe he could be having feelings for a man, but he didn't know. But that was because he had been sexually assaulted when he was young. So maybe that was just messing up his head. It was, as usual, one of my long distance relationships, and I was in Kenya at the time, and he used to work in Afghanistan but used to go to the US every other time for holidays. And so we decided, okay, let's find a man. I was open to it. I was like, okay, if this is what you want to find out, I'm open. I mean, I think I have given my boyfriends the most freedom, because I believe when you give people freedom, they'll behave and they'll be open to you. Because I expect the same. I need my freedom, not because I want to do other stuff, but I want to feel trusted. When you give someone freedom, they feel trusted, and trust me, they'll do the right thing, unless people want to be just evil. So we decided, okay, where do we get this man? I told him, okay, we met on Tinder. Get on Tinder and find yourself a man. So he used to chat, and he would send me sweaters, and I would help him. I would say, no, that one doesn't look cute. This one. So we found a match. So we agreed on one man who they planned to go and meet in Miami. He was to drive all the way to Miami because he lived in Florida. And I was like, okay, fine, go and find out. So at this point, as much as I was giving them this freedom, I knew it could be two ways. Like, he could realize that, oh, I like men. So I was 50-50, ready to lose him if he thought maybe he wanted to be with men, and I was happy that he would at least clear something that was going on in his mind. So the date came, and he drove all the way to Miami. He got an hotel, and it was actually a bit open, and he was like, I want to record it for you. He even asked the person, and the person was like, okay, you can record, because it was not going to be like a relationship. It was going to be a one-time situationship. So they were a bit open, but I told him, I don't want to see it because you never know. I just thought to respect their privacy, and I didn't want to see it, so I asked him not to record. It was not suitable. Just go there, because when you record, maybe you might end up acting. You'll not even realize what you want, and the other person might act too. So I told him, just go, be yourself, explore, find out if this is your thing. And he went. The date was good. They went for dinner. He kept updating me. We were chatting, and so the night came. So then it was like, oh, I gave this person an oral, but I felt it was not reciprocated. So in my assumption, I assumed that maybe these are two people who have the same character. When you are like, people talk about submission and being dominant. So if you meet two dominant people, then you will not get along. If you meet two submissive people, then you will not get along. In this situation, I felt that both my boyfriend and his date were dominant, because I felt that he expected, because, I have given you an oral, so it's okay. So then I'm going to maybe get you do probably the same thing, but it did not happen. It was like, so it's like literally what he told me he did everything, but the other person seemed not to reciprocate. It was like he was just there, came to his realization that it's not something that he wanted. Anyway, so yeah, that was it. And after that, he went home and he was like, oh, thank you for allowing me explore this side of me that I thought existed. And I was like, yeah, no problem. And then he asked me, okay, what are your sexual fantasies? And I was like, my fantasy is funny, because my fantasy involves interaging with two human beings, and one of the human beings is not supposed to be anyone I relate to, not my boyfriend, not my friend, absolutely no one. So it's always hard to tell a boyfriend, oh, this is my fantasy, but I want to be with two human beings and you are not one of them. You see how hard that is? But maybe in my bachelorette party, if my friends are nice, they'll find me some people. Don't tell this to my future husband. So yeah, that was my craziest relationship experience. So tell me, what are your craziest relationship scandals or experiences? And we can all laugh. So thank you for watching this short vlog of my story, and I hope you're feeling good, you're happy, you're vibrating good energy, and yay, you are vibrating this energy to everyone around you, making them comfortable. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next vlog. Bye.